Today I'm super excited to share my recipe for soft and chewy eggnog cookies. These cookies capture the essence of that holiday classic we all love, wrapped in a delightful dessert. Let's get started. First up, we need to combine our dry ingredients. I've got some all-purpose flour, and to that I'm adding in some baking soda, baking powder, and salt. And for the holiday spices, I'm going in with some cinnamon and nutmeg. Whisk that together until it's well combined, then set it aside. Now onto the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, I've got my softened butter ready to go. Let's add in some brown sugar and granulated sugar. Using my electric hand mixer, I'm creaming this mixture on medium-high speed until it's nice and fluffy, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't forget to scrape down the bowl so everything is evenly mixed. Next, I'm adding in an egg yolk, a splash of good old eggnog, and a bit of vanilla extract. Mix this on low speed until everything is fully combined. Now let's bring it all together. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture and mix on low speed just until combined. The key here is to avoid over mixing so we keep these cookies soft and tender. All right, grab your cookie scoop and start placing scoops of dough onto your prepared baking sheet. Make sure to space them at least 2 inches apart because these cookies will spread. And if you have a little patience, refrigerating the dough can help reduce the excessive spreading, but hey, no judgment if you skip this part. I did. Okay. We're baking these at 350 for 9 to 11 minutes or until the edges are set and the centers look slightly underbaked. Here's a trick that I love to use. As soon as the cookies come out of the oven, take a glass that's slightly bigger than the cookies, place it over each one and gently swirl it in a circular motion. This will give you that perfect round shape. Let the cookies cool on a baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Now, if you're feeling fancy, you can whip up a simple eggnog glaze. Just sift some powdered sugar into a bowl, add a tablespoon of eggnog, and whisk until smooth. Add a bit more eggnog in small increments if needed to get that drizzle-worthy consistency. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled cookies and let them sit at room temperature for about 20 minutes so the glaze can harden. Although, if you're like me, waiting is the hardest part, and I just couldn't. And there you have it, soft and chewy eggnog cookies with a simple eggnog glaze. Infused with warm holiday spices, these cookies are bound to have everyone reaching for seconds. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You'll find the full recipe linked in the description box below. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more delicious holiday treats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.